Welcome to Health and Fitness with a new video. In today's video we will show you top 11 ways to get rid of wrinkles. So watch the video till the end to get proper information. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Let's begin. Natural and scientific ways to get rid of wrinkles that every woman should know. As we get older, our bodies begin to change. Our metabolism slows down. Our bones and muscles become weaker and more fragile. And our skin starts to wrinkle. Now, here are the top ways to get rid of wrinkles for women. 1. Get rid of the sugar. If your diet consists of sugar, it might be time to eliminate it. The main reason is that sugar destroys the collagen that helps make your skin flexible and strong. Without collagen, your skin becomes weak. 2. Switch to natural, organic food. Your skin craves vitamins, minerals, antioxidants and protein. Nothing provides those better than natural, organic food. Fruits and vegetables are a good start, but if you don't eat meat, you need to find a substitute to get your protein. Nuts are a good alternative, because they are rich in protein, vitamins and minerals. In order for your skin to build elastin and collagen, it needs a sufficient amount of protein. 3. Eat chocolate. Don't get too excited, I don't mean your favorite chocolate bar. I mean dark chocolate with little to no sugar. A good source is cocoa. It contains two plant chemicals, catechine and epicatechine. These two chemicals help protect the skin against UV damage from the sun. 4. Exfoliate, exfoliate, exfoliate. In order to rejuvenate your skin, you need to remove the dead skin cells. Exfoliation removes dead skin cells that are clogging your skin, leaving your skin looking fresh and healthy. Try using organic skin care products. They are gentle on the skin and will not cause any irritation. 5. Moisturize daily. You need to keep your skin healthy and fresh, so you need to moisturize almost every day. But you don't want to use products that contain parabens, phthalates and petroleum. These types of chemicals suffocate, irritate and harm your skin. You'll want to use skin care products that are organic. 6. Consume a lot of vitamin C. In order for your skin to maintain structure and build collagen, it needs a sufficient amount of vitamin C. In fact, studies show that topical vitamin C actually reduces the aging lines on your face. One study showed that participants who used topical vitamin C had an 84% higher satisfaction rate than the controlled group. 7. Use an avocado mask. Avocado oil helps your skin absorb nutrients that are essential for maintaining and strengthening it. It's a simple mask to make. All you need is one avocado. Remove the pit and mash it and apply it to your face. Leave it there for 10 minutes and then rinse it with warm water. Be careful when applying it around the eyes, you don't want to irritate your eyes by getting some in them. 8. Try a cucumber mask. A cucumber mask is a mixture of cucumber and yogurt. The cucumber cools and soothes your skin, while the yogurt moisturizes it. To make it, all you need to do is mix together cucumber and yogurt and gently apply it to your face and neck and leave it there for 15 minutes. Rinse it off with warm water. 9. Egg white mask. Egg whites are loaded with nutrients. They contain protein which helps with tissue repair, potassium which hydrates the skin, and magnesium which helps stimulate the skin cells. To make an egg white mask, simply beat together one white and add a teaspoon of organic orange juice. You can also add a teaspoon of turmeric to soothe your skin. 10. Raw honey and yogurt mask. Yogurt is a lactic acid that will help exfoliate the skin. Honey helps hydrate and clean the skin of bacteria. To make the mask, use a tablespoon of each and mix together. Apply to your face and neck and let it sit for 10 minutes. Then rinse with warm water. 11. Use coconut oil. Coconut oil is a perfect moisturizer and it can add a lot of brightness and glow to your skin. It is especially effective when applied right under your eyes. All you need to do is rub a little on your fingers and apply it below and to the side of your eyes. According to people who get rid of their wrinkles by using these remedies, the results are incredible and effective. Do it, and share your opinion in the comment below. If you're new on the channel, then do subscribe the channel. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. And if you want more health recipes and tips, be sure to subscribe our channel, because more incredible content on the way.
Aloe Vera for acne. So watch the video till the end to get proper information. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Let's begin. About 9.4% of the population across the world is affected by acne. Aloe vera is a popular home remedy that is used to soothe the skin. The extract of aloe vera is commonly used to heal minor rashes, cuts, and sunburns, and is equally effective for acne. In this video, we will show you why aloe vera is good for acne and how you can use it. Aloe vera can prevent acne as it has anti-inflammatory properties due to the sugars and fatty acids present in it. Pure aloe vera gel contains about 75 active ingredients. It also moisturizes your skin, which include amino acids, salicylic acid, lignins, vitamins, minerals, saponins, and enzymes. The amino acids and zinc in aloe vera soften your skin and tighten the skin pores. You can even use aloe vera to treat pimples and inflammation. However, if you are allergic to aloe vera, using it on your skin may cause rashes and allergic reactions. Although pure aloe vera gel is safe for the skin, do a patch test to determine if you are allergic to it. How to use aloe vera for acne. 1. Pure aloe vera gel for acne. What to do: cut the aloe leaf and scoop out the transparent, fleshy part with a spoon. Apply the aloe vera gel on your face, focusing on the affected area. Leave it on overnight. Rinse it off in the morning and repeat every day until the lesions heal. 2. Aloe vera, honey, and cinnamon. As per an in vitro study, honey has an inhibitory action on Propionibacterium acnes, and Staphylococcus aureus, the acne-causing bacteria. Cinnamon has anti-inflammatory properties. A study involving 20 patients with mild to moderate acne found that cinnamon gel helped reduce acne. What to do: mix 2 tablespoons of pure aloe vera gel with 4 tablespoons of honey, and half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder or oil. Apply the mixture on the affected area and wash it off after 10 minutes. Repeat this every alternate day. Note: cinnamon powder might sting, so you can adjust the quantity as per your skin's tolerance level. 3. Aloe vera and lemon juice. Lemon juice is a common remedy used for many skin issues, including acne. It has astringent, drying properties. Thus, it may help dry out pimples and reduce acne. Caution: do not use this remedy if you have sensitive skin, as lemon juice can cause redness and irritation. Excess lemon juice can also dry out your skin. What to do: mix 1/4 teaspoon of lemon juice with 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Apply the mixture on the affected area. Wash it off after it dries. Also, use sunscreen afterward if you are going out, as lemon makes your skin photosensitive. 4. Aloe vera and tea tree oil. The topical application of 5% tea tree oil is beneficial in managing mild to moderate acne and reducing inflammation. What to do: dilute 2 to 3 drops of tea tree oil in any carrier oil. Mix it with a tablespoon of honey, and apply it to the affected area. Leave it on for 15 minutes before washing it off. 5. Aloe vera spray or face mist. You can also make a facial mist with aloe vera and use it throughout the day to soothe your skin. What to do: mix a tablespoon of aloe vera gel in 1½ cups of distilled water. Add 2 to 3 drops of any essential oil of your choice. Do a patch test before using. Store this solution in a spray bottle and spritz it on your face whenever required. Remember to always shake the bottle well before use. 6. Aloe vera, sugar, and oil scrub. The accumulation of dead skin cells on your skin is one of the major factors that trigger acne. Scrubbing is an effective way to remove dead skin cells. What to do: mix 1/4 cup of aloe vera gel with 1/2 cup of jojoba oil and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Gently massage the scrub on your face before washing it off. 7. Aloe vera and apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has antimicrobial properties that may help treat acne. What to do: mix a teaspoon of aloe vera juice with 1 teaspoon of ACV and teaspoon of purified water. Apply the mixture as a toner on your face. Note: apple cider vinegar may not suit those with sensitive skin. Avoid using it if your skin is sensitive. 8. Aloe vera and almond oil. Oils make a perfect base for any home remedy. What to do: mix 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel with 3 to 4 drops of sweet almond oil and apply it to your face. Wash it off after a few minutes. 9. Aloe vera gel, cucumber, and rose water. Rose water acts as an astringent and tones your skin when treating acne. Cucumber has a soothing effect on the skin, which may help with acne inflammation. What to do: mix a teaspoon each of cucumber juice, rose water, and aloe vera gel. Use a cotton ball to apply the mixture on the affected area or all over your face. Wash it off after it dries. According to people who use aloe vera for acne, by using these remedies, the results are incredible and effective. Do it, and share your opinion in the comment below. If you're new on the channel, then do subscribe the channel. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. And if you want more health recipes and tips, be sure to subscribe our channel, because more incredible content on the way.